In 1986, Willie de Waal, Peter de Waal and Peter Lubzer bought kagga, kamma, as well as 3 adjacent farms. Together the properties boasted 15,000 hectares of pristine Finbos plains, and the owners immediately saw the potential of the land. Over the course of the following year, a small stone cottage was erected to allow the owners to visit and entertain friends on the property. It was love at first sight for their visitors, and Willie, Peter and Peter made the decision to share and preserve the area on a wider basis. In 1988 and 1989, Grootflay Farm was purchased for better quality water, and the properties were turned into Kagga, kamma Nature Reserve. Soon after, the first chalets were built and a few antelope species were introduced onto the reserve. From there, kagga, kamma grew into what it is today, a welcoming lodge and a unique landscape which is continuously striving to offer guests memorable experiences while preserving the natural environment. Kagga, kamma is not just a holiday destination. It is an experience of time, feeling as though it is standing still as the sun travels across the sky, casting shadows over huts and caves. It is a feeling of overwhelming peace and quiet while staring across a landscape of red sand and wild flowers. It is a moment etched into the fabric of South African culture. It is a heritage passed down through the generations, and it is ours, our kagga, kamma. Nestled within the Cederberg Mountains, Kagga, kamma Nature Reserve features an outdoor swimming pool, restaurant and spa. The property is located 76 miles from Ceres, and Wi-Fi is available in the public areas at an additional charge. Accommodations consists of 10 unique man-made cave-like suites that were constructed to integrate with the natural sandstone formations, and 5 spacious thatched huts, decorated in warm tones. Each air-conditioned unit comes with a seating area and tea and coffee-making facilities. Kagga, kamma's à la carte restaurant serves South African cuisine and offers a selection of wines from the Cape winelands. Weather permitting, guests can dine under the stars at the open-air boma. The pub and lounge area has a TV with satellite channels. Guests can relax at the on-site wellness, offering a range of massages and treatments. Kagga, kamma offers a variety of activities and excursions, including hiking and nature drives.